Hello guys and welcome to the new video of Tech Android. This is me, Umka, and today I am going to unbox this new Redmi 6A. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, this is the device, Redmi 6A, and let's see what's written on the box first. So at the back side of the box it is written as it's 5.45 inch HD display. It has Helio 822 quad-core processor with 12nm technology, 3000 mAh battery, and 13 megapixel rear camera. Right now I have this gold 2GB variant, and there is another one with 3GB and 32GB. This variant is only just for 6,000 rupees, and I have ordered it from Amazon. So let's unbox this. So here's the device. Let me keep this aside for a while. So this is some of the paperwork from Xiaomi, and here is the power adapter, and it is 5 volts 1 ampere. Then there is a USB to micro USB cable, and there's a SIM ejector tool over here. We need it now because it has 2 SIM slots. So let me keep this aside. Let me get to the device. So this is the device, Redmi 6A. Let's remove the cover first. And this is the device. The device looks good in the hand and feels good. It's the weight is also not much more. So let's see an overview of the device. So here is the 13 megapixel rear camera, and this is the flash. Although it looks like a dual rear setup to you, but it is not. It is a flash. And here is a noise cancellation microphone. Here is the 3.5mm headphone jack. Over here you have 2 SIM slots. Let me get the. So let's remove the small one first. So it is the slim slot here over here, and let's check the bigger one. Yes, it is USB means the second SIM card slot and a micro SD card slot, so you can use both of them at once. It is good that Xiaomi provided this in a budget smartphone. So back to the overview. Here is a USB charger pin, and here is the secondary microphone. Here are the volume rockers up and down and the power key. And the front camera is a 5 megapixel camera. Although this device does not have a fingerprint scanner at the front or the back, but Xiaomi says it has a AI face unlock mode. So let's boot the device. So the device has been booted up, and here we are on the home screen. Well, the device looks good in the hand, and first let's check what's the Android version of this. Okay, so here you can see it's Redmi 6A, and the Android version here you get is Android 8.1. It is Android Oreo, and the device after the boot is 8.55 GB available. So this means that you will definitely need a micro SD card to save all your data, all the files that you need on your device. And while setting up this device, I don't get an option to put face unlock. So let's go and lock in screen passcode. So here you can see as it says add face data. Let's add it. 1 second. So we have to put pattern. Oh shit. Okay. So I put the pattern. I put it again. Why? I don't know why does Xiaomi give this 5-second buffer time. Let me add my camera first. So I successfully added my face, and so as Xiaomi says that it provides everything in the budget smartphone. Although this device is just around 6,000 rupees, but this device carries so much things. Let us take some pictures to test the camera. Yes, the device here takes good shots as well. I will be providing some of the shots that I have taken.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
So this is it from it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you still haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe, and help me motivating to bring such more videos in the future. And this is Omkar from Tech Android saying you bye. Peace.